back to swathing on another place. Today's Sunday. I think it's the, what is it, the 14th? Something like that. Yep, July 14th. Pretty decent chrome on here. Got some decent windrows. A lot better than it has been the last couple of years. Grandson was cutting last night. I think it was around 6 o'clock or so. It started getting too wet, plugging up. So get it finished up today. Today and Monday and the first part of Tuesday, and there's supposed to be like a 50% chance of rain Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. So they keep putting 20 or 30% chance in each evening. We haven't gotten anything more than a sprinkle. So we're going to keep cutting. We'll probably start cutting along the highway right away tomorrow. So, anyway, I'll bring you back here in a little bit. That's some of the corn that we had. It kind of had an uneven emergence. It was so wet. There's some areas down there in the corner that kind of yellow because it just had water. I pretty much planted it in the mud a little bit in that corner. It all was pretty wet. It still won't do terrible bad. Yeah, I gotta go around the other side and finish it. And we're back here on the south part of this field. There's kind of a, well, I used to have cattle feed in there and the trees grew all up. But kind of a, there's an old pond that's washed out in there. But got hay ground on both sides of it. And then up around here and then up by their building site. But there's, I think, either 20 or 22 acres of hay ground here to grow. And it's probably going to need sprayed with Tordon and 2,4-D because it's got some of the things, Deptford pink in it coming in, and that stuff will take over. So we'll have to get that sprayed this fall probably, or next spring. I'd rather get it sprayed in the fall. If you wait long enough in the fall, it doesn't hurt your legumes quite as much. Your clovers, stuff like that, to spray won't kill it as bad. It kind of goes dormant. But anyway, this is fairly decent. So it'll make quite a few bales. Yeah, just got a couple more rounds to make on this and be done with this field. Probably, I don't know if I'll be able to start baling. I just cut that down on the other place yesterday. We'll probably go check it, but I got a feeling it's going to be too damp. We may roll that into this video. We'll see. We'll catch you later. Have a good one. Yeah, we're spraying the last field July 15th, Monday, and did some spraying this morning. Finished up that last 20 acres of soybeans, and back up here we're swaths and doing some baling up here. Boy tried to bale last night, but it was just a little too damp. We're running between 13 and 14 moisture right now. So, going pretty decent. Yeah, we've got 67 bales so far. Got this top part all done. So, head down and around the pond and get that baled up down there. We'll probably get close to 100 bales. I think there's 19 or 20 acres there. Anyway, I'll bring you back a little bit later. Everything's going pretty good. We're running about 11% moisture and lower. Yep, rainy morning. We've had almost 3/4 of an inch of rain. So we've got some hay wet. Wasn't able to bale up that last 20 acres because it was a little bit too wet and then dew set in. So anyway, we're going to end this video. See when things dry up and we'll have to turn that hay to bale it. But like content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.